The SEO Maximizer basic tool for Flipper Site Developer CMS is an integrated Google Analytics and Google Search Console metrics tool that we introduced in Flipper Site Developer CMS 6. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of what that is and what it does. So the first thing is when you log in to your Flipper Site Developer CMS website, you will now see something similar to this. If you don't see these live charts, it's because you don't have your Google Analytics account connected to your Flipper Site Developer CMS website. There's a button there and you'll be able to click on it, and we have instructions on how to accomplish that. Obviously, I'm already logged into ours here, but what it does is it pulls in data from Google Analytics. So no longer do you have to go to Google Analytics and then come back here and try to, see what's going on with your traffic. You can just log into your website and see these metrics that you see on the screen. So we provide active users on the website, users that visited the website in the last 30 days, sessions in the last 30 days, average pages per session in the last 30 days. Plus, we provide this percentage of comparison to the previous 30-day period. So, and the other thing is that we will be able to see snapshots of this data for past week, past month, and past year. You can also expand this, and you can drag and drop if you want to see a particular time and place. You can zoom in, zoom out. Again, pretty neat stuff. No longer do you have to go, to Google Analytics to see some of this data. You can just simply log into your website, and it'll be there for you. Now, this is SEO Maximizer Basic. We also have different plans or upgrades. So we have SEO Maximizer Standard, and then we have SEO Maximizer Pro and SEO Maximizer Pro Plus. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you a quick, overview of the SEO Maximizer Standard and how it's different, or it just has more capabilities than the basic one. And this is, I'm at one of my pages here. And if you go to your page and you don't see an SEO Analyzer link or button, that means that you are just simply on the SEO Maximizer Basic package, which is fine if that's what you need. But if you have it, you are on the SEO Maximizer Standard package or plan. And if you don't have it and you want it, just contact us and we'll be happy to help you. But what the SEO Maximizer Standard plan provides is this. So once I hit this, it's going to analyze the content that's on this page, and it's going to give me recommendations. So right now I have all green thumbs, and that means that this page is well optimized based on the recommendations or guidelines by Google. So, and this is how it's going to look when it shows on the Google index listings. But say I want to optimize this page further for a keyword. So for my case, I'm going to type in design, and I'm going to hit analyze. Now what it does is it takes this keyword, and again it analyzes the content that's on this page, and then it provides recommendations. So which is pretty cool, because I can easily go and say, okay, I need to add a key phrase like my H1 in my copy and so forth. And if you want to change the URL for the page to even optimize it further, that's what it's recommending, you can. But that's the SEO Maximizer Standard. Again, it's an upgraded version of SEO Maximizer Basic. Now, we also have SEO Maximizer Pro, which does a little bit more. So again, in Standard, you're only going to get these settings here. It's going to analyze a keyword, and it's going to give you some recommendations on the content you already have, and if you want to analyze a certain keyword, that as well. The Pro version pulls, it gives you that information, the same thing here, right? Again, this page is really not optimized, but you can see what it does. There's all the red, so I would go in here and fix all this stuff. But the Pro version adds this whole other layer of information for you to use and utilize to help you optimize your page and your website even further. So this information is actual queries that Google is getting to find this page. So and as you can see, this is important information, because then you can go, okay, I didn't know people were looking for that or that, and you can optimize this page to try to catch certain keywords and terms that you might have not thought of that people would try to find your services or products. It also provides, again, snapshots up here of search queries that Google is seeing. and how many impressions you're seeing, the clicks, the position, the click-through rate, and so forth. And again, this is really valuable information if you are trying to optimize a page to help you with SEO rankings. And again, this is the Seo Maximizer Pro. And then we have even another plan that's the Pro Plus plan. And that one, it's all these things are included, but you get additional, basically additional dashboards that give you just an overview of some of the data that we're seeing, or Google Analytics is seeing for your website. And again, we simplified those charts so that way you don't have to be a Google Analytics expert to understand the data. We're basically just trying to get the most important charts out, and that way you can review those and plan accordingly. But again, this is the Seo Maximizer Basic right here, Seo Maximizer Standard, Seo Maximizer Pro, and the Pro Plus just has additional charts or dashboards that are just snapshots of data coming from Google Analytics, so that you don't have to really know where to click and where to go when you go to Google Analytics to find the pertinent information. But again, Seo Maximizer Basic is coming to all Flipper Site Developer CMS websites, or is included in all Flipper Site Developer CMS websites. Pretty cool stuff. And let's move on to the next feature.